Hi, I thought this might be the easiest way to share with you these three things that I've been using. And when I found those two selfies that were like, both were facing front and I put them side by side, I couldn't believe it because really and truly, I have not changed a single thing in my life aside from adding in some of these products from Shackley because it was something I was taking on as a new job in May. And with the closing of Beauty Counter, it was a choice I made to go to Shackley. It was a well-aligned brand. So I wanted to be using the products, trying them, to be able to speak to them. And these are the three things consistently every single day that I've been taking, and nothing else has changed. So the first and foremost is a vitamin. I think you can probably generalize it to a multivitamin. So even if you only wanted to do literally just a multivitamin, I think that that's going to work as well. What I like is this Vitalizer Women Pack. So it's in a strip pack like this. You get, a month's worth. So in this pack, so the red are called like Corrado E Omega, I believe is what they're called. They're like omega-3. They are really great for heart health, brain health, eye health. The green, those are two of the Vitally Women. So that's like if you wanted to get multivitamins on their own, that's what you'd be getting in just a normal bottle. The yellow tablet is a B and C complex, so vitamin B, vitamin C. And then this cute little guy, that is called an Optiflora Pearl, and that is a probiotic in this kit. So I've been taking that consistently every single day, not missed a day. Then I think the next thing to tell you is I've been enjoying a LifeShake. I know that's backwards for you. I've been enjoying a LifeShake every single day. And the thing that's really cool about Shackley's protein, so this is like our protein powder, but it's not just protein. It's also 6 grams of fiber, 24 vitamins and minerals, and it's powered by leucine, which leucine is an essential amino acid that you don't produce naturally, you have to get it from diet. And leucine in particular helps build lean muscle mass. So it's helping your body burn calories in and of itself from that. So I've been joining that, one of those every single day. It's a 20 gram per serving kind of drink. I really love the salted caramel in the plant protein. I love the soy cafe latte. I love the soy vanilla and chocolate too. There's some good options there. And then finally, the last thing, this is called Vivix, and it comes in 3 different form factors. This is the gummy. Let me see if I can open this with one hand so I can show you. There's also liquid, and there's also in a soft gel format. I need to turn this off for a second to open that up. Okay, so this is what they look like. In this one glass jar, you get 90 gummies because it is 3 gummies a day. So it's a 1-month supply. Once you buy this for the first time and you get this glass jar, you get the refill in like a pouch to be able to refill this glass jar. So that's the gummy form factor. There's also liquid, which I actually really like the liquid. I like the gummies too, but the liquid, I really like the taste. So the base of Vivix, and there's so much I could send you as far as information on the science behind Vivix. It's like mind-blowing. The base of it is muscadine grape. So it's all about polyphenols, and it's about anti-aging internal, like the protection of our cells because our cells age like we do. So that was one of the things where it's not a very easy like before and after type of product when someone has asked me like, hey, do you like Vivix? But I can tell them what I learned in training on the background of the studies done, the clinicals, the science behind it to say, this is something where it's speaking to me enough that I'm going to keep trying it. Like if this science is saying it's doing this for our cells, heck yeah, why am I not going to give that a go? And come to find out, the things that are in Vivix are really great for the decrease in inflammation. And if that's like not what I'm seeing in those before and after pictures, I don't know what it is. So those are the 3 things that I would highly recommend people trying. Shackley has 100, what do they call it? The like 100% like a guarantee, right? Shackley guarantee. So there's no time limit on a return. You can return empty bottles. It's worth trying. So 5 months, May to October. And I think the proof is in the slimming of my face and when I haven't been doing anything else. So anyway, so if you are interested to give this a try, let me know. We can do it a few different ways. Everything can be put into a cart, a la carte, or there's also, there's a bundle that's called the Ready Set Wellness Bundle that would give you the option to choose either the Vitalizer pack, or there is something called Meology at Shackley, which is a customized vitamin. There's an assessment, kind of like a quiz that accompanies it. You can upload blood work. You can upload, like if you've ever done like the 23andMe type of platform, you can upload that information. And it's a very customized packet. It would have your name on it, like, good morning, Sally. And it would have all the things that you are going to take. every day, or it's an either or on the step 1. So Meology or Vitalizer. Step 2 would be choosing 2 different LifeShake flavors. And then step 3 has a booster that you can pick, and we can kind of talk through the different boosters. There's a bunch to pick from. Vivix is not one of the boosters to pick, but Vivix would be an add-on to that cart, so a la carte for that. Or you can just do everything individually too. So give me some feedback, reply here, or if you want to text me or email me, I will make sure I send those to you when I send off this video, and we can get you started trying some Shaklee nutrition products. I've been so blown away.